Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring the virtual care platform offered by MUSC through Zipnosis, found at https://muscvirtualcare.zipnosis.com. This online tool aims to provide convenient and accessible healthcare services. This platform bridges the gap between traditional doctor's visits and the increasing need for remote healthcare options. Using a simple online interface, users can access a range of medical services from the comfort of their own homes. It's designed to streamline the process of seeking medical advice, saving you both time and potential travel hassles. Whether you're dealing with a minor ailment or need a quick consultation, MUSC Virtual Care via Zipnosis might be a valuable resource. The platform guides you through a series of questions to understand your symptoms and medical history, ensuring that you receive appropriate care and guidance. This personalized approach allows for more targeted recommendations and facilitates efficient communication with healthcare providers. Furthermore, MUSC's partnership with Zipnosis leverages a trusted telemedicine platform known for its secure and user-friendly interface. This ensures a confidential and streamlined experience for patients seeking virtual care. With the growing demand for digital healthcare solutions, platforms like these are becoming increasingly important for managing our health and well-being. Consider exploring MUSC Virtual Care through Zipnosis for a modern and convenient approach to healthcare. Remember to consult with your physician or a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. They can provide personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific situation. This review is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice.